morning to all my dear students and respected parents. So, how are you all? Have you done the last week work? Very nice. And again I am saying, after checking 2 weeks result, only 27 or 28 parents are watching the videos. It is again a request, please watch the videos of all the subjects. This is very important. At least your child will learn all which is taught in class UKG. Okay? Now in today's English online class, I am going to start the joining of U. You have already learned A, E, I, O. Today I am going to start the joining of U words. Okay? So let us start the class. Now see, the very first picture. This is the picture of bug. Bug. Bug insects होते हैं जो rainy season में ज़्यादा दिखाई देते हैं. Clear? This is the picture of bug. These are the small insects which we usually see in rainy season. So what is the spelling of bug? B, U and G. This is the spelling of bug. B-U-G. Bug. Again we will write starting from the corner. Make B. With the tick of B, make U. And with the tick of U, make G. B-U-G. Bug. How you are going to write down? Say the spelling and then write. B-U-G. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Okay? Now this is, you all know, this is the picture of hut. किसकी पिक्चर है ये? हट. हट. हट को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? झोपड़ी. क्या बोलते हैं? झोपड़ी. हट. What is the spelling of hut? H-U-T. Hut. H with the tick of H-U and with the tick of U-T. H-U-T. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. Let us write once again. H with the tick of H-U and with the tick of U-T. H-U-T. Hut. Okay? So the first word is B-U-G. Bug. H-U-T. Hut. Now these are the buns जो आप लोग खाते हैं. Sweet buns, burger buns. This is a picture of bun. This you eat as a sweet bun also. This you eat as a burger bun also. So what is the spelling of bun? B-U-N. Bun. B with the tick of B-U and with the tick of U-N. B-U-N. Bun. The spelling of bun is B-U-N. Bun. Again we will write down. Starting from the corner, B with the tick of B-U and with the tick of U-N. Bun. So the first spelling is B-U-G. Bug. This is the picture of bug. H-U-T. Hut. This is the picture of hut. And B-U-N. Bun. Now the next picture is cup. Cup. I am going to teach you both cup and mug. So see the design. This is a cup. When this picture will come, you are going to write down cup. What is the spelling of cup? C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Okay? Again, we will write down starting from the corner C with the tick of C-U and with the tick of U-P. C-U-P. Cup. Now this is the picture of jug. Jug जिसमें हम water रखते हैं, juice रखते हैं. This is the picture of jug. What is the spelling of jug? J-U-G. Jug. J with the tick of J-U and with the tick of UG, J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Again we are going to write down J with the tick of J-U and with the tick of U-G. J-U-G, jug. So we have done 3 new words of U joining. First is B-U-G, bug. H-U-T, hut. B-U-N, bun. C-U-P, cup. And J-U-G, jug. So you are going to write down like this in your notebook. Okay? Now try to write down heading on your own. Write down the heading and date with the help of pencil. Underline the heading with blue color. And then ask your mama to draw the lines. And then she can write the first word and then you can copy it down. लेकिन जब आप लिखते हैं तो स्पेलिंग बोल बोल के लिखेंगे. It will help you to learn the spelling faster. Is it clear? Very nice. Now let us start with the sound words. चलिए हम लोग साउंड वर्ड्स पे आते हैं. पहले तो हम लोग रिवाइज करेंगे जो हमने पहले साउंड वर्ड पढ़ा था. The first sound word last time we have learned about अब. अब का पढ़ा था. अब you be अब. Which word we have learned? When we combine it with ka, we got the word cub. Cub क्या होता है? Baby lion का. It is called cub. When we combine it with her, it became hub. H-U-B, hub. Hub is the main point, main center of any city or any office, that is called hub. When we combine it with ra, it become rub. जैसे आप कुछ गलत लिख देते हैं तो आप इरेज करते हैं, रब करते हैं, या जब आपको बहुत ठंड लगती है तो यू रब योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रबिंग, रब. एंड द नेक्स्ट वाज when we combine it with ta, it becomes tub. Tub you all know, in which mama wash the clothes also, and bathtub भी होता है बाथरूम में नहाने के लिए. That is called tub. So these were the words which we have learned last week. Now today I have come up with new sound. Today I have come up with new sound, and that new sound is, we have combined today a, you मतलब a, with g, g मतलब g. So when we combine a with g, it becomes ug. Ug. क्या आवाज आएगी ये? ug. ug. आज हमने फर्स्ट वर्ड ही पढ़ा है. क्या पढ़ा था? bug, है ना? So let us combine ba with ug. Ba, you all know now, this is ba. We combine it with ug. Which word you are going to get? Bug. Just now I taught you what is bug. Ba, ug, bug. Clear? So the first word is ba, ug, bug. Now let us combine it with da. Let us combine da with ug. चलिए बताइए. If we combine da with ug, what will be the word? Da with ug, it will be dug. Da, ug, dug. क्या होता है dug? खोदना. किसी चीज को खोदना उसको कहते हैं dug. गड्ढा खोदना. ठीक है? So we say dug a pit. Dug मतलब खोदना. So the first word is ba, ug, bug. Da, ug, dug. Now the second word is ma. Ma. When we combine it with ma, it becomes mug. What does it becomes? Mug. जब हम इसको म से कंबाइन करते हैं तो ये बन जाता है mug. Now see, this big cup is called mug. इसको कहते हैं mug. And the small one which is used for tea, this is called cup. Okay, this difference is there. This is a cup, the small one, and the big one जिसमें we drink coffee or milk, that is called mug. Clear? This is the difference between cup and mug. Cup is usually used for tea purpose. So we have combined with ma, it becomes mug. Now the next one, let us combine it with ra. Ra means R. Rug. Rag. Rug. Rug क्या होता है? एक दरी. हिंदी में आप जिसको दरी कहते हैं बिछाने के लिए, that is called rug. That is called rug. Next I am combining it with ha. Ha मतलब H. H with ug. क्या बन जाता है? hug. hug. hug मतलब गले लगाना किसी को, हग करना प्यार से. आपकी मम्मा आपको करती है ना? पापा करते प्यार से, मम्मा करती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड हग. या आपका कोई बहुत डियर फ्रेंड है या आपके ब्रदर सिस्टर हैं, तो जब आप प्यार से उनको गले लगाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड हग. एंड द लास्ट टाइम कंबाइनिंग इट विद जे. जे मीन्स जग एंड इट बिकम्स जग. जग. जग जो अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है, द मीनिंग ऑफ जग इन विच वी कीप वाटर और जूस, दैट इज कॉल्ड जग. सो टुडे वी हैव लर्न द साउंड अ प्लस ग. इट बिकम्स अग. अ प्लस ग इज अग. द फर्स्ट इज ब अग बग. ड अग डग. Ma ag mug. Ra ag rug. Ha ag hug. And ja ag jug. Clear? So students, today work is to write down these you joining words and to revise these ag sound words. Clear? The last sound also and today's sound also. Okay, so take out your copy and start doing your work. See you in next video of maths.